Your name?
Mommy.
Romy. How do you spell it?
R
Mm-hmm.
O A E
R-O-M-E. Good boy. And how old are you?
T.
You're not 3. Bella's 3. How old are you?
Oh no.
1. No. And can you tell me what this is?
Bear.
Your head. And what's that?
No.
Your nose. And what's that?
I.
Eyes. And what's this?
Yet.
And how about this?
Tick.
Your cheeks. And how about this?
Baby.
Your belly. And where's your boca? And where's your ojos? Y tu nariz. Nariz. Good boy. Right there. Okay, are you ready to count?
Huh?
Let's count.
No.
1,
2
2, 3,
4
4,
9
5,
6
6,
9
7,
8
8,
9
9, 10.
10.
Good boy. Rome, what is this?
Potato.
Circle. Good boy. What is it?
There.
A square. Good boy. What color is it?
Purple.
No. What color is it?
Water.
Orange. What color is this?
Blue.
It's not purple,
What's
silly. What color is it?
Blue.
Blue. Good